province surrounded by beautiful island and world-class destinations, connectivity is very important for Cebu. The easier we make travel for the people, the more we open doors for tourism, investments, and economic growth, not only for Cebu, but also for our neighboring provinces like Siquijor and Negros Oriental.
At the port of Oslo, for the official launching of Asian Marine's newest sailing route, Oslo to Cebu, Larena, Siquijor, to Dumaguete Sea. A route envisioned not merely as a maritime connection, but a gateway for tourism, trade and commerce among three of the Visayas' most vibrant destinations.
Congratulations once again, and thank you for being our partner in progress. Padayon lang, Paul, kay hawak ni mo ang bit.